Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on fitness equipment with Dick's Sporting Goods, beginner guide step by step clearly. Visit the Dick's Sporting Goods website or the nearest store location. Create an account on the website for exclusive deals and promotions. Sign up for the email newsletter to receive updates on sales and discounts. Check the clearance section both online and in-store for reduced price items. Look for seasonal sales, such as back-to-school or holiday promotions. Use the price matching policy if you find a better deal elsewhere. Follow Dick's Sporting Goods on social media to stay informed about flash sales. Utilize the rewards program to earn points on your purchases for future discounts. Consider buying used or refurbished equipment through the website or local listings. Explore financing options for larger purchases to spread out the cost. Check if your local store has any upcoming clearance events or sales. Don't hesitate to ask store associates for information on upcoming sales or discounts. Investigate bundle deals where buying multiple items can lead to savings. Look for store-specific and manufacturer coupons online before making a purchase. Consider timing your purchases, as many items go on sale at the end of a season. Be aware of membership discounts if you're a student or military personnel. Always compare prices across different retailers before finalizing your purchase. Stay patient and wait for the right deal to come along for significant savings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.